Jacob the Witty.
Oh Lord, make me a vessel of peace. Where there is hate, let love increase. Where there is wrong, let forgiveness flow. Where there is despair, hope will grow. Let me bring light where shadows fall. Let me bring peace to one and all. Let me bring joy in sorrow's place. Let me bring hope through your grace. Let me bring light where shadows fall. Let me bring peace to one and all. Let me bring joy